You know right, assassin me. Airport and my eye. Moja nananu shegu edigu on my eye.
Memo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Story way say 3 days ago. Ena me hu say ababa beto me news feed so. Na me hu story na me sere ye. Me imagine say na we so Ghana for beji diana. So Ghanaians will also believe this story. Because clearly from the story no it was fake. Anyway, Mr. Remo answer your beko story ne so no. Subscribe na click the notification bell no. And no and that screen so sisiano. Oye ne sa latest news be about one sa ebeka. Mr. Remo you are seeing the picture right in front of you. A package address bronya ba o brochure na odofo bi wo Ghana na opese wo ye ne show a we enye assemtintin bia no o de free number na ewo screen ase 055 761 0007 mimbo subium 055 761 0007 na ofro na wo hwe package a wo pe 170 cedis Ghana for mo abrochi we yi $100 a ebetumi ato packages ni na ati ase 170 cedis ye be man the pack no 1 liter of oil ni emo 2 kg yani at least no wo ho nti pack no da wakoma so pa 660 cedis no less no wo ho mesre diso na I mean bronya ye ni na bronya wati ase na yema enkrofo ninje bronya yi nti mesre mundi echiman now yanko story ne so as I was saying story way by na meka say so we Ghanaians also believe this story because clearly to me it was fake a fake story enkrofo de nama yedi gu president Akufo-Addo enimu ase but Ghana for ebi mo asomu de den eka and the Akufo-Addo ya exposing no Akufo-Addo ya exposing na unim say eya na asemo ameka kire enkrofo aside everything else and they say I have a degree in computer science nti eba ne say ye the computer manipulating nyama bi ye nyama bia eya na mihu nti mostly ye the computer manipulate it's not only with the Akufo-Addo in fact even with the NDC ye the computer manipulation bi na ye the begu obi enimu ase ameba ebe expose so it is just fair say mehu ne say the computer manipulate na ye the try to Akufo-Addo so meba be expose now let's go and listen to the reports now you could hear reports in the bar I'll show you the expose me you know so that you understand what is going on in the hear report in Embra
have intercepted a cash amount of £26 million in suitcases flown into the country by private jet with a key government official in President Nana Akufo-Addo's government on board the private jet. The Serious Fraud Office SFO of Britain are currently investigating the suspected money laundering and have requested documents in respect of the money from the Ghanaian government. This is coming just within days when the Belgium European giant bank, the Ing Bank, gave notice to the Ghana embassy in Belgium that all embassies' accounts with the bank will be closed over money laundering and other fraudulent activities. According to sources with the Financial Crime Division of the investigative body and close to the ongoing investigation, it seems members of the government led by President Nana Akufo-Addo are siphoning taxpayers' money into private foreign accounts ahead of the upcoming Ghanaian elections. In a related development, the European Union has blacklisted Ghana over money laundering and financial fraud issues.
Etiefo inti reports mote no ena trese moati na me pesa me tremu bibi e screen so sisia so this is what we are watching right mote reports no na kasa na kasa no eye ade bia ye frɛ no computer voice na ye use ye de kasa now the story is not authentic because me Melodies amiti hei metumi akwa ye bia fa obi ho na me the story na aba bonten aba betudwa obi say computer voice be ready broni ene be ready ne san say broni e ready nti ebe ye say eye ne kre nti na ma hye da trail website ya e da screen enimi na ma ye bi atrail website no ne din e de readspeaker.com now share website ni mu asemo amatro wa ha matro hello welcome to Melodies TV we are the best YouTube channel in Ghana we talk about Ghanaian stories now asemo amatro no mebe ma broni voice e read this idea we tie
hello welcome to Melodies TV We are the best YouTube channel in Ghana. We talk about Ghanaian stories.
So when say mama broni voice ene ready. Inti metumi aye the same thing. Na makwa akotro ewom say Nana Akufo-Addo has been dien because of money laundering in sense metumi atro broni ni be ready. Na ma record it, na me de aba to YouTube. Obi ko tie obeka say, "Hey, broni my story. Broni my story say Akufo-Addo akwa ko wieska. Hey, Ghana for let us not be gullible." It is as simple. Interna ma shada metrem wo screen enemy. Mo amunim computer mo ana amunim sanyama we mu no. This I am showing you into mu behu. Let me show you another one. Maybe obeka so story na ye be ma na read here. Aha say, "Hey, oko ha say a, o sha watro, select your language and voice." Inti oba na me man read here we metumi ama bema ukọ ha se am bema wo ha obema bi wo ha ye frɛ no em se me pe obema bi a o free UK because obema bi wo ha o free oye mail okay inti obema bi wo ha ye frɛ no James me be ma James read mamema J o de mamema James read mamenta ade meba o de ube me betro Nana Akufo-Addo tiu o de tie Nana metro so o hwe Nana Akufo-Addo is the best president in the whole assembly metro meaning say ngrofo ebeja but example na mema matro Nana Akufo-Addo is the best president in the whole world na mema obema and now why then working kind so that ye na ye bete now yenti
Nana Akufo-Addo is the best president in the whole world.
Won say na mema obema everyday ya wabo Nana Akufo-Addo is the best president in the whole world. It's the same thing. Wo bia wo pese wo twa ntro to Akufo-Addo so no enya ade bia eye din bia nipa kono de obeya ne se wo beba website ha na wa ba trust story no say the Indian fraud the your friend saying UK Special Fraud Office has investigated obetro wa ha na wa ma broni ne read ya obefi say o broni report say ya Akufo-Addo ya che ne say sike bi ntro ena obi twa to Akufo-Addo so ntro ena obi twa eto Akufo-Addo so me fremo ade ne de ye channel ha we are one of the biggest critics of Akufo-Addo. Melodies TV, your channel neso. We are one of the biggest critics of Akufo-Addo. Na esan se Akufo-Addo ya ade a yebo ne chinti na ene interest e nkrofo betwa ntro to ne so a yemfo a ntro ne so ne yemfa ntro no enam se o asem a nkrofo ka no eye ne kre ye nya sa ade no mo am follow me munim me nya sa ade no mesremo inti me de asem a meka no eye ntro ne etwa to ne so se bia wunji ndi a James ena me ma ne kasa ye no metumi ama another obema a wono ye friend Mark ono so different voice onso o de obehu me ma ne nka asem foforo me ma ne nka se Nana Akufo-Addo nanze ye se Nana Akufo-Addo winning award bi me ma ne nka Nana Akufo-Addo just won the best African personality of the year. Now me dey also say the award was me name says I didn't create an award but just for the sake of content it told them the award was organized by Forbes Africa. Show share we me be ma foforo wo be kan US ubetumi ama ne bakona kan US brofo ubetumi ama na kan UK brofo ubetumi chese wo de mame me bakona me be ma na kan US brofo tie nsem obe kan tie.
This is a demo. Nana Akufo-Addo just won the Best African Personality of the Year. The award was organized by Forbes Africa.
So we ready UK brofo no we US we read the US brofo no and as someone me throw say Nana Akufo-Addo just won the Best African Personality of the Year. The award was organized we reading the pepe intimate sremo social media anaasɛ internet aba no nkrɔfoɔ bi animu na so mo pɛ sɛ wo mu twa ntro ɛfa nkrɔfoɔ bi ho nti wo the internet no be manipulate esanse wonim sɛ Ghanafoɔ ye gullible bronika so bi ye gullible anatrɛ sɛ nkrɔfoɔ bi ɛwɔ hɔ a wo mo de obi bɛ kan bia wo no wo bɛgye adi onko hwehwɛ mu hwɛ sɛ asɛm a ye ka no ɛyɛ ne krɛ anaasɛ ye ntro ye kan ya wasom na wagye adi nti esanse Ghanafoɔ ye gullible nti saa asɛm wei wo bi ɛbɛkɔ akosom nipa kuni somo a eni Ekufuado yesi Ekufuado we be trend say Ekufuado we mama kan e credit. A lot of people have sent me this story. It's melodies ade na posti melodies ade na posti ya ti say Ekufuado eni yakochi no ade na posti nti me ha na me say na mo so you people are believing these things. Come on, you people are believing it. Nti obi na won jindi no, this is exactly what I have done. And then am I atro no simple enya de bi din 1 minute we be wie and now say wako website no betumi ayo your phone so kra and now say wako website no readspeaker.com uko readspeaker.com wo ba ha na wa be select wo person nipa ko no wo ka your friends in China we ye China fo kasa kra na obeka wo person nipa ko no ka Turkey fo kasa wo beka wo nini na wa ha wo person nipa ko no ka Slovakia for kasa any Slovakia for kasa ni awom obesen ba konika Romania for kasa wo beka obesen ba konika Portugal for kasa Portuguese wo beka obesen ba konika Poland for kasa wo beka Norway for kasa Mexico for kasa Latvia for kasa Korea kra obesen ba konika bia wo de to ne so na wo trope wo beka Korea no Japan Italy India won abefun fidie no amawi ase na ye easy enunim enyama bi se no won nkrofo ayeye emomo mostly die nti ayeye ade we ene se mostly yeye ma sebe obi a ebia na yebeka se on say text to speech no yeye ma sebe nkrofo a wo mani efra na omote asem nti yeye BBC mo nti ebia storybook bi no be so read ya obi type ehye saade we mu mana eno ane se we mia play na wo tie storybook ni na okay no tie nsem no eye story bi eye news bi na opese o read ya eno ane se wo bi be type ashade we mu nti won broni de abefo mama kan ne krenche me melodies amiti emra na me was second year. This was the software I created in KNUST. I will not lie to you. Text to speech me created as software nibi. That is why I know more about this. Emra na me was second year in KNUST computer science. Obi onim computer science behind him say yeah they need creative softwares. Emra na me was second year. The software I created, it was a text to speech software. That time me use Microsoft me use VB, Visual Basic. Mo munim and I made create a text to speech software. O type the other type wo mu bia wo mi a play no ebebo amount. So please don't be believing in these things. Don't be believing in these things. O share wo person ba koneka French, obeka Flemish, Finnish, Dutch, Danish, Canada for French ni ane pa kono betumi aka, Australia for bro for Arabic, Arabic crowd pa ne pa kono beka. Intimesremo. Please. It is not true. So reports na nam say Ekufuado and ya channel special fraud office and the cre eyobi and the wakwako use side we bi and our there. And you see the interesting thing is any websites we pay and what's there. And let me show you something. It's not only this website. There were a lot of websites. There were a lot. Text to speech website. Opa, who use Google phone, smartphone, search for text to speech. Or smartphone, the crown, obo more, able to me with them out. It's not something that's difficult. Won, o smartphone crown is a feature no won. There are a lot of websites, yes, I dear no. Websites we so AAB. We share websites needing websites we munia AAB. We munia Google, Cloud, Ninyama. Mr. Ramo, we shouldn't be believing some things. Won, my nimbre. At the end of the day, and the crane the back melody sunny a can. No, you huna emu and the crane the ebeka. But yeah, criticize your bino and interest ye ko fan trobi. Ewa buying ho and an intro be afa president no ni ebegu ni mu ase da bi then what's the essence? Mama Charlie Timo amo send me say melody sade na wonka ho asem no ade na wonka ho asem no maka ho asem matremo mesremo yentwa so